Hi everyone, today we're going to share two very important open source projects in the field of industrial automation, CnosDB and PLC4X. Using PLC4X, we will write simulated IoT device data into CnosDB to store. So first, what is CnosDB? CnosDB is an open source database specifically designed for storing and processing time series data. It's mainly used in fields such as industrial IoT and energy management. CnosDB has several key features. First, it has powerful performance that can easily handle massive amounts of time series data. In scenarios like factory equipment monitoring and energy system management, a large amount of sensor data is generated, recording the operational status and energy consumption of the equipment. Traditional database will encounter performance issue when storing and querying this type of data. However, CnosDB is optimized for the characteristics for time series data using various technical means, which has significantly improved the storage and query efficiency. Second, CnosDB is highly scalable. As time progresses, the amount of data generated by these devices will continue to grow, and CnosDB can handle this growth through horizontal scaling. Third, CnosDB supports data interaction and integration with various industrial control devices such as PLCs and SCADA systems. User can directly import device data into CnosDB for analysis and management, which is very helpful for the industrial field. Overall, CnosDB with its excellent performance, scalability, and integration capabilities with industrial control devices have become a good choice for managing time series data in the industrial sector.